guys, so for dinner we're having something different. So I made this stew, yeah, without tomatoes, you know, especially with us like Congolese people. When we're making that meat stew, we mostly add like tomatoes just to, you know, to have that red effect and the taste as well. But I wanted something very different today, so I thought no tomatoes. I just made it like this. Can't really see it properly, but it's just so good and it's super quick. If you like to know how I made this, then let me know in the comment section below. And yeah guys, I've got loads of videos to show you guys, and I've got the meal prep video that I told you guys about, but I haven't gone around like editing it because it's such a long video. I'm trying to cut it down, and also there's loads of things that I said that it wouldn't make sense because I done that video before Christmas, so I wanted to upload it before Christmas, but life happened, so I didn't get time to edit it, but I will soon edit it. And I think I'm gonna have to do a voiceover or anything because loads of things that I said will not make sense right now. But I thought I should come and tell you guys and show you this amazing stew. We're having it with rice, and tomorrow I'm actually gonna make some okra. I'm gonna add some okra in some of it, so I'm gonna split in half. So half of it is just gonna be like this, and the other half I'm gonna mix it with okra or anything. So with this stew, you can even add spinach and so many things that you like. So yeah, I thought I should show you guys, and if you like to know how I made this, then let me know in the comment section below. It's so easy, and just look at the consistency. Oh, look at this sauce, so delicious. And I didn't add oil, I didn't add tomatoes. It's just a very nice stew, and then it tastes super good. And of course I've got my scotch bonnet in there. Oof, pili pili. Just waiting for the rice to be cooked, and then it'll be game on. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye bye.